Introducing the Club Cart Precedent golf cart for sale from SaferWholesale.com. This unit is nice and custom. It's got custom paint on it. You also have your light kit as well. It's a Club Cart Precedent 48 volt. It's got load tested batteries, guaranteed to get you anywhere from 3 to 4 years out of these batteries. We also warranty all batteries for 90 days here at SaferWholesale.com. We can ship nationwide right to your front door. SaferWholesale.com/golf carts. And you can view our entire line of golf carts for sale on our website. It also comes with the free smart charger, brake lights in the rear, and again, nice two-tone paint job here on this custom Club Cart Precedent, as you can see right in the video. And we can fully customize the carts, add the radio, add the rear flip, add custom paint. Many different options. 2-seaters, 4-seaters, 6-seaters, 8-seaters. Again, SaferWholesale.com/golf carts to view the entire line of custom golf carts for sale at SaferWholesale.com. This unit is electric powered, again 48 volts. As you can see here, check out the batteries. This cart is just about new. It looks like it's in very, very brand new condition, as you can see here right in the video. Call us right now, SaferWholesale.com, fully reconditioned golf carts for sale at SaferWholesale.com/golf carts. Call us right now, 866-606-3991. Speak to a sales rep right now. Again, SaferWholesale.com.